Hey everyone, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many of us face in spreadsheets. Today's problem involves needing a formula that returns a value based on a cell determined by another cell. It's a situation where you want to fill the formula to the right so that the cell returns a value from the same row. Tricky, right? But fear not, we have a clever solution for this dilemma. Let's dive into the solution that will save the day. By using the switch function, we can efficiently handle the task at hand. The formula we're talking about is simple yet powerful. Equals switch B1A, B10B, B20C, B30D, B40. This formula allows you to set up different cases based on the value of cell B1, directing the output accordingly. It's a neat way to streamline the process and make your spreadsheet work smarter, not harder. To wrap it all up, we've explored a nifty solution to a common problem in spreadsheets. By utilizing the switch function, you can dynamically return values based on specific criteria, simplifying your workflow. So go ahead, give it a try in your own spreadsheets and see the magic happen. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.